Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I have another hug in a box. And I call Happy Mail a hug in a box because it really is. It's so thoughtful, and the person spent time on all of it. It's so wonderful. Thank you, Carrie and Eli. But I want to point out something before I open that, and this is the little outfit from Melissa at It's a Stroke of Life Melissa. Now I put this on a Takara purposely because I wanted to see how it fit, and I think it is perfect. It is actually made for an Alley or a Blythe 101 with the, or 202, I'm sorry, with the bendable body that's a little bit bigger, but I just wanted to see it on her. I think it's, oh, I just love this. I want you to see how perfectly she made these little pockets. And each pocket is gathered so that the items you might want to put in there or your doll might want to carry slide right in. Melissa, I love this fabric. I love these pockets. They are just amazing. I love everything you sent. So let's see what Carrie and Eli sent today. Isn't she cute standing here for Christmas ambiance? We just went to the circus and we're gonna have that video up sometime, maybe January. We've been pushing it pretty hard, and Darren has been really busy with his real job. He actually has a real job. Oh. Look what Carrie and Eli sent. How fun is this? I get blind bags with Rainbow High. This one says Shadow High.
And for those of you who don't know, Carrie and Eli are from Inkpad's Playpad.
Oh, yes, I should have said that.
I'm sure most of you know it, but...
Oh, look at this bag. How cute. How stinking cute is that? Anti-sparkle. Oh my God, that's so cute. All right, let's lay this here, and then we'll open a Rainbow High. Oh, this is fun. This is really fun. Thank you so much. Oh, here's another. Oh, this is like that belly bag. Check this out. If you don't know, or if you don't have Rainbow High dolls, look at that. It opens. This is a functional tiny belly bag or fanny pack or little half backpack, however you want to call it.
Do those clips actually work?
Yeah, isn't that the cutest?
Wow.
I think they do. Maybe not. Maybe you just...
Still.
Yeah, it's cute. Oh God, that's so cute. Okay, let's do another Shadow High. Anti-sparkle. Carrie and Eli are, let's call them Rainbow High enthusiasts. They have it all. It is the coolest setup. Oh, look at this basketball. I wonder if it opens. It has an opening. No, it does. Yeah, it does. But it doesn't open any further, or if it does, I don't want to wreck it up. Oh my God, that's cute. I haven't seen a black basketball in a lot of years. This one is Rainbow High, and I do love purple. Let's see what's inside of here. This is so fun. And they all had the authenticity certificate of glam. How cute is that? Oh, wow. Holy smokes. You know, I'm gonna, oh, I don't want to break it. I do not want to break this. But it does look like it opens. I am brute force, so I want to be careful. Look at that. You can hold it in your hand or over your shoulder. Oh my God. And it's like alligator print. How cute. How cute is that? Love, love, love it. And I've got that Amaya Rain collaboration I do with Dory. So you'll be seeing these. Okay, this is Rainbow High. I just wanted to make sure. I didn't think that Shadow High would have this pretty baby blue, but you never know. So far, the bags match the bag. Let's see. Yep, sure enough. Isn't this adorable? Oh my, a little backpack. Okay, that opens. How cute is it? It looks like this also opens. It does. That is a functional, I don't know what you put in there, but that is a functional pocket. Guys, this is so cool. Thank you so much. I'm going to save the pink. Pink's my favorite color. Hot pink, to be specific. I love hot pink. All right, this is a lilac. Sure enough. I really appreciate this so much. Look at this bag. Oh my. It's like almost pink lilac. Look at the detail on that ribbon. That's cute. And functioning. I gotta say, and one of the reasons that Carrie and Eli enjoy the Rainbow High so much is the clothing and the details and the shoes, and they're just beautiful dolls. I started to say that Dory's Dollies and I do a monthly Amaya Rain challenge every month on YouTube at 10 a.m. Central. Oh, I can use 2 of these. Sure enough. Oh, very cool. And we have a theme each month that we tell on our channel on the 9th. And then everybody can show their Rainbow High, Shadow High dolls. And you don't have to be real specific. We just want you to join in and have fun. We are loving the friendships on YouTube. Okay, the white bag, put this over here, I want that back in there, has a rainbow. Oh, this is Amaya. This is the, I bet you this is from Amaya. With the rainbow hair and the little black, and it does open. Oh my God, that is so cute. Can you imagine me, Darren, trying to put in a zipper like that? I fight the big ones.
Be a little custom.
Oh, I used to make animal equipment, and I made backpacks for dogs and goats and llamas and saddlebags for horses. And I put zippers, you know, because you want that good and secure when you're going down the trail, especially on a goat or a dog's back, you know. And, oh God, I used to fight those zippers. Okay, last one, pink. Here we go. Oh my. Look at this. This is so cute for like Belle or Stella. It's got an S on it.
A dollar sign, it looks like.
Oh, it is a dollar sign, yeah. That's what happens when old ladies don't wear glasses. And it is a functioning, oh, this is fun. I cannot thank you enough. You will be seeing these again on my channel from time to time. Go by and take a look at Inkpad's Playpad. Right now, Carrie has 2 advent calendars going, and she's a lot of fun. Carrie is a lot of fun. She opens a lot of, does a lot of doll unboxing. And they have a cat named Blythe, and I call him the YouTube sensation. He is so laid, or she is so laid back and just cool, and acts like when Carrie sets up, Blaze a lot of times it looks at her like, really? I'm trying to take a nap here. It's the cutest thing. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.